Rastafari, true wealth is not in the pocket, it is in the earth. Babylon chasing paper, chasing silver and the gold, selling out their future till their spirits turn cold. But we are in the garden where the real treasure lies, underneath the canopy of the clear blue sky. Cultivate the soil, water the root, soon we will be tasting the righteous fruit. We are harvesting the green gold, wealth of the land, riches that the wicked man cannot understand. Pure organic blessing straight from the sea, everything the righteous man will ever eat. Trimming up the buds with a careful hand, the sweetest aroma spreading over the land. We dry it in the shade till the curing is complete. Then we wrap it up and make the cipher sweet. We are harvesting the green gold, wealth of the land, riches that the wicked man cannot understand. Pure organic blessing straight from the sea, everything the righteous man will ever need. Sub bass rolling like thunder in the hills, the common Lord that's singing and the rhythm just spills. We deal in the currency of peace and love, protected by the eagle flying high above. We are harvesting the green gold, wealth of the land, riches that the wicked man cannot understand. Pure organic blessing straight from the sea, everything the righteous man will ever need. Share the wealth, pass it to the left, let the dub echo away. Green gold forever.
Nowhere
spinning on the wheel. Tell me, Mr. Richman, how does it feel? But I close my eyes and I drift away to the countryside where the children play, away from the noise and the pollution, searching for a simple solution. I got the concrete jungle blues deep inside. No place to run and no place to hide. Yearning for the river and the mountain breeze, yearning for the shade of the mango trees. Concrete jungle blues, shackles on my mind, leaving this Babylon city behind. Sirens wailing through the middle of the night, confusion and fussing and unnecessary fight. Nobody's smiling, faces look so grim. The light of the spirit is burning so dim. We need to reconnect with the Mother Earth. Remember the soil that gave us birth. Tear down the fences and the iron gate before it becomes just a little too late. I got the concrete jungle blues deep inside. No place to run and no place to hide. Yearning for the river and the mountain breeze, yearning for the shade of the mango trees. Concrete jungle blues, shackles on my mind, leaving this Babylon city behind. Let's play on the country road where the water runs sweet and cold. I need to wash up this city dust. In Jah I put my trust. Yeah, yeah, I got the concrete jungle blues deep inside. No place to run and no place to hide. Yearning for the river and the mountain breeze, yearning for the shade of the mango trees. Concrete jungle blues, shackles on my mind, leaving this Babylon city behind. Gotta get out, moving up, back to the hills, escape the concrete. Whoa, freedom. Emphasis on the kick drum and rim shot. One drop, steady rock. Feel the pulse. It's the universal language. Every man of the same color blood, flowing through veins like a river flood. No matter the skin or the place of birth, we all walk up on the same earth. Why we fight and why we fuss? Jah creation was made for us. just I and I. No separation, one destiny, one humanity, one drop heartbeat, moving our feet. Unity is sweet, makes the circle complete. From the east to the west, Jah put us to the test. One love, one heart, heart beating in time. One rhythm worldwide. Peace be unto you. Bless up.
Early morning on the farm, give thanks for the land. The rooster is crowing and the sky is red. I rise up and give thanks for the daily bread. Walk out to the field with my boots on my feet. The morning air smelling so fresh and sweet. I check on the plants, see them standing tall. The beautiful harvest gonna bless us all. The sweat on my brow and the dirt on my hand. I am a humble servant of the promised land. I talk to the plants and I give them my care. Breathing in the purity of mountain air. Farmer's glory, tending to the green. The most majestic sight that I have ever seen. Farmer's glory, working in the soil, reaping the rewards of the honest toil. With the one drop rhythm playing in my head, making sure the righteous and the pure are fed. The rain started to fall and it washed the leaves. A magical moment that the heart believes. The sun come back out and it dried the ground, creating the perfect and the natural sound. I sit on the porch and I roll a spliff, catching a ride on the heavenly scale. Farmer's glory, tending to the green. The most majestic sight that I have ever seen. Farmer's glory, working in the soil, reaping the rewards of the honest toil. With the one drop rhythm playing in my head, making sure the righteous and the pure are fed. We stood to the star, to the flower so bright. We're working through the day and we're working through the night. The agriculture is the backbone of life, cutting through the struggle and the daily strife. Glory, tending to the green. The most majestic sight that I have ever seen. Farmer's glory, working in the soil, reaping the rewards of the honest toil. With the one drop rhythm playing in my head, making sure the righteous and the pure are fed. effect with delay. Every drum kick, too much concrete, not enough green. The city pressure is heavy, you know. Whoa. Sun out on the pavement, burning up my feet. Beggar man crying on the corner of the street. Skyscraper blocking out the heavenly view. People rushing past, don't care about you. The rent is too high and the wage is too low. Nowhere to plant, nowhere to grow. Trapped in the rat race, running on a wheel. Tell me, Mr. Rich Man, how does it feel? But I close my eyes and I drift away to the countryside where the children play, away from the noise and the pollution, searching for a simple solution. I got the concrete jungle blues deep inside. No place to run and no place to hide. Yearning for the river and the mountain breeze. Yearning for the shade of the mango trees. Concrete jungle blues, shackles on my mind. Leaving this Babylon city behind. Sirens wailing through the middle of the night. Confusion and fussing and unnecessary fight. Nobody smiling, faces look so grim. The light of the spirit is burning so dim. We need to reconnect with the mother earth. Remember the soil that gave us birth. Tear down the fences and the iron gate before it becomes just a little too late. I got the concrete jungle blues deep inside. No place to run and no place to hide. Yearning for the river and the mountain breeze. Yearning for the shade of the mango trees. Concrete jungle blues, shackles on my mind. Leaving this Babylon city behind. Got me home, country road, where the rata runs sweet and cold. I need to wash off this city dust. In Jah I put my trust. Yeah, yeah. I got the concrete jungle blues deep inside. No place to run and no place to hide. Yearning for the river and the mountain breeze. Yearning for the shade of the mango trees. Concrete jungle blues, shackles on my mind. Leaving this Babylon city behind. Gotta get out, moving out, back to the hills, escape the content. Whoa, freedom. elders come, beating on the drum, pum 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 pum. Rooster crowing on the fence top. The positive vibes, they never stop. Yesterday troubles are faded and gone. We moving forward, we carrying on. Stretch your limbs and take a deep breath. We conquer the sorrow, we conquer the death. Opportunity knocking at the door. Blessings waiting in the store. Keep your head up, don't look down. King and queen, wear your crown. Morning sun rising over the hill. World is quiet, world is still. Golden light touching every face, filling the world with amazing grace. Morning sun rising, promise of new. Your love shining on me and you. Rise up and shine, give it your best. Put the weary spirit to rest. Brew the coffee and bake the bread. Remember the words that the elders said. Every day is a gift from above. Fill it with laughter, fill it with love. Work hard in the vineyard, plant the seed. Jah will provide for every need. Smile at the neighbor passing by, underneath the blue and open sky. Morning sun rising over the hill. World is quiet, world is still. Golden light touching every face, filling the world with amazing grace. Morning sun rising, promise of you. Your love shining on me and you. Rise up and shine, give it your best. Put the weary spirit to rest. Sun is shining, weather is sweet. Make you wanna move, move your dancing feet to the rescue. Morning sun rising over the hill. World is quiet, world is still. Golden light touching every face, filling the world with amazing grace. Morning sun rising, promise of you. Your love shining on me and you. Rise up and shine, give it your best. Put the weary spirit to rest. Shine on, let it shine. Good morning world, have a blessed day. One love. Water bubbling softly in the clay vessel tonight. Stars are shining above us with a mystical light. We gather round the fire in unity and peace, letting all the worldly pressure and the tension release. Draw it in deep, let the spirit fly. Roots and culture keep our heads up to the sky. Mystic chalice burning bright, chasing all the shadows into the night. Holy communion, Jamaican guitar plays a melody so sweet, while the bass drum keeps the timing of the heartbeat. Mystic chalice burning bright, chasing all the shadows into the night. Holy communion, pure and divine, leaving the Babylon confusion behind. Bring me Lord, crashing like a wave on the shore. Dubwise feeling opens us the golden door. Let the rhythm take control of your soul. Make the broken pieces of the spirit fully whole. Mystic chalice burning bright, chasing all the shadows into the night. Holy communion, pure and divine, leaving the Babylon confusion behind. Burn it down, slow and steady. We are ready for the morning. Bless us fade out. Drum and bass only for 4 bars, then guitar scan. Discipline, every man has time. Watch this sub bass, boy. Too much talking and not enough action, causing a dangerous distraction. Time to get the house in order, from the center to the border. Discipline the mind and discipline the speech. Practice what the teachers preach. If you can't hear, you're gonna feel. This reality is real. Straighten up and fly right. Step out of darkness into light. No time for the slackness thing. Hear the message that we bring. Under heavy manners, living under Jah banners. Respect due to the ancient law. Stand in wonder and stand in awe. Control your ego, control your pride. Let the conscious vibe be your guide. Man must work by the sweat of him brow. The time for the harvest is starting now. Lazy bones stay in the bed, while the righteous man is fed. Structure your life with a firm design. Align your chakra and align your spine. Serious times call for serious ways. Giving thanks and giving praise. Under heavy manners, living under Jah banners. Respect due to the ancient law. Stand in wonder and stand in awe. Control your ego, control your pride. Let the conscious mind be your guide. Order, order. Respect the foundation. Don't drift away. Yeah. Order. loving manner, yeah. Done the job. Sound of a lighter flicking and bubbling water. Yeah, man. Healing of the nation. In the heart. Sun is going down over the blue mountain peak, looking for the solace that the wise man see. Grab the chalice and the holy herb. Don't need to speak a single word. Connect with the earth, connect panic. Sweet Sensi meditation, take me away. Give thanks and praise at the end of the day. Wisdom weed from the soil of the King. Listen to the melody the angels sing. Pass the cutty to the left side. Let the spirit glide. Sail, green leaf of life, cutting through the strife. Sweet Sensi meditation, take me away. Give thanks and praise at the end of the day. Wisdom weed from the soil of the King. Listen to the melody the angels sing. Irie feeling. I'm like a stepping razor. Don't you watch my size? Dangerous to the wicked, dangerous to lies. Cutting down the ego, cutting down the hate, clearing up the pathway to the Zion gate. man head every day. Bills to pay and the landlord say pay. But if you lose your soul just to pay for the rent, tell me where the happy days went. Sip a little tea, smoke a little jar, live by the universal love law. Slow down the pace, man, cool down your face. This life is a journey, it is not a race. Slow down the pace, find your resting place. Move to the rhythm of Jah amazing grace. Just the drum and the bass. Feel the space. No rat race in this place. Rock easy day, breathing. Slow down the pace, man, cool down your face. This life is a journey, it is not a race. Slow down the pace, find your resting place. Move to the rhythm of Jah amazing grace. Cool and deadly, smooth sailing, rocking steady. Yeah, man, take your time. Breeze guitars by down. Yeah, man. Sweet and Irie, just the way we like it. Feel the vibration. The sun shining bright on the tropical sea. I'm sitting right under the coconut tree. A big fat spliff resting right in my hand. The happiest man in the whole of the land. The rhythm is rocking, the tempo is slow, allowing the positive feelings to flow. The heavy sub bass moving under the sand. The sweetest sensation you can understand. We burn in the earth to give thanks for the day, chasing the negative energy away. Hey, it's a sweet Irie vibe, from my head to my toe. Watching the beautiful Sensi grow. Sweet Irie vibe in the reggae style, making the whole of the universe smile. The tape echo singing a song of pure love, sent down to earth from the heavens above. My brothers and sisters are gathering round, drawn to the light of the magical sound. We sharing the chalice, we sharing the food, staying completely in a positive mood. The Hammond organ playing a soulful tune under the light of the silvery moon. Oh, it's a sweet Irie vibe, from my head to my toe. Watching the beautiful Sensi grow. Sweet Irie vibe making the whole of the universe smile. The tape echo singing a song of pure love, sent down to earth from the heavens above. Stay high, keep it sweet, reggae music. Listen to the silence between the notes. The drumstick hits the rim, the sound travels far, bouncing off the moon and bouncing off the star. The smoke from the chalice forms a cloud in the room, chasing away the darkness, lifting the gloom. Close your eyes and listen to the ancient voice. Freedom of the spirit is the ultimate choice. These are the echoes of Jah, ringing in the air, telling all the righteous there is nothing to fear. The heavy bass frequency connects us to the source. Love is the only unstoppable force. The Hurricane plays a melody of old, a story of redemption that must be told. The skanking guitar is the rhythm of the feet, marching out of Babylon, taking to the street. These are the echoes of Jah, ringing in the air, telling all the righteous there is nothing to fear. The heavy bass frequency connects us to the source. Love is the only unstoppable force. Tape delay spins out into the cosmic void. The wicked man's plans are completely destroyed by the power of the music and the power of the earth. A holy meditation that no one can disturb. These are the echoes of Jah, ringing in the air, telling all the righteous there is nothing to fear. The heavy bass frequency connects us to the source. Love is the only unstoppable force. Listen to the echoes, righteous dub music. Rasta live forever, fading out. Bass slides down the fretboard. Rim shot snare hit love. Strictly roots. Heavyweight No violence here, just positive vibe. Welcome to the musical tribe. Do the Roots Man Skank. Moving slow, let the rhythm dictate how you go. Bend down low and chop the air. Throw away your trouble and your care. Rubber dub style in a classic way. Roots Man Skank until the break of day. Selector pull up and wheel again. Music is the medicine for the pain. Sister swaying in her long skirt, dancing on the red dusty dirt. This is